Welcome to Always Dolls and thanks for joining us.
Today we want to share with you how we decorated another room in our dollhouse. Here we are going to make a butler's pantry. Start by clearing out and cleaning the room. Using a magic eraser sponge really helps for this step. Next, we want to take out all the food items from our existing pantry. This one was modelled off a My Froggy Stuff craft. We are going to modify it by removing the floor, taking away some of the width and adding our chic country kitchen sink. But first, the pantry needs a floor, so we have cut down white poster board and added grey cardstock squares for a diamond tile pattern. This particular cardstock is textured, which will work really well for our miniature floor. Here is our upgraded shelving unit. As you can see, the tile splashback wraps around the corner of the unit. We've also covered the second shelf in marble contact paper to match the counter and hot glued tablecloth clips under each shelf for extra support. We also gave our DIY Airlines food cart a makeover too to match with the chic country kitchen style. We were inspired to create an island bench with a marble waterfall style counter. It sits perfectly under the window.
On top of this counter we put a blue stand mixer from one of Grace's sets, an Our Generation pie, and some extra bowls underneath. We also added these small books inspired by American Girl that you can find here on our channel. Link is in the card.
Now it's time to fill our shelves with Pantry Essentials. Working from left to right, we have doll mugs and cups and dishes in different colours. We got the empty soda glasses from eBay along with extra fruit baskets. The kitchen scale is from OG and the crock pot and blender are American Girl pieces. On the next shelf up, we put the waffle maker next to some chocolate sauce. And behind this, we have our popcorn boxes and popcorn in a bowl.
For this condiment tray we used some flat skewers and just glued them together to form a little crate.
This way, everything is kept together neatly and easily accessible for the dolls. The rest of this shelf is for our baking essentials like flour, sugar and sprinkles. We also searched through our collection for AG boxes like their brown sugar, flour and baking oats. To help the boxes stay upright, we put the toaster at the end of the shelf. At the very top, we store placemats, chopping boards, serving trays and a fry pan.
Here is our fully stocked shelves.
But we still have more room to store things. Below the counter, we store Courtney's Pac-Man lunchbox and our DIY version of Nanea's stackable lunch pails.
For this snack box, we just used any container we found lying around that was perfect in size and covered it with some textured cardstock and added some twine for handles. To make this wall less plain, we added a poster saying "Season everything with love" and another poster with a teal frame to tie in the colours.
On the opposite wall, we are going to cover the archway with a barn door. We made this from the floor piece from our original pantry and spray painted it satin lagoon to tie in the teal colour scheme. Simply slide the door behind the pantry wall when you want to open the space up.
For this final section, we made a wall garden using fake plants and naming them as some ingredients that you would find in cooking.
We used a push pin to peg scissors to the board so the dolls can quickly cut off some herbs.
We attached to the wall with some double-sided tape just in case we wanted to remove it.
The herb garden also functions as a stopper for the barn door when it's in its closed position.
Lastly, we added a small pot plant that you can find at Kmart.
We love our butler's pantry. It's a great space to store and display our doll kitchen items. In our next video, we will make the doll kitchen and dining area.
If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button, subscribe to support our channel, and turn on the bell so you never miss a new DIY. Thanks for watching and see you soon for more miniature crafting fun.